In this video, we are unboxing the torque wrench set. The set includes 8mm to 17mm hex sockets, includes a 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 3/8 inch to a 1/2 inch drive adapters. Includes M14 12-point spline sockets. Includes long extension bar, includes ratcheting wrench, includes M6 to M12 spline sockets, includes H5 to H14 hex sockets, includes T30 to T60 torque sockets, includes rubber gloves. Now let's go over how to use the torque wrench. To adjust the torque, flip the black locking collar, turn it clockwise to increase torque, turn it counterclockwise to decrease torque. After using, remember to reset the torque to the lowest setting. This torque wrench has a working range of 5 to 60 Newton meters. Adjust the torque. According to the specific fastener specification, after extended use, the torque calibration may drift slightly. During slight adjustment, open the cap at the bottom of the handle to access the internal adjustment mechanism, which should be calibrated with proper equipment. The selector switch on the ratcheting head, push it to the right for clockwise as tightening and to the left for loosening. To install a socket, press the silver quick release button and slide the socket on. It's locked in place. To remove the socket, press the button again and pull it off. All these tools can be used together. Use the extension bar. Press the button and insert it. Same goes for the sockets. Just press the button to install. Using this vehicle as an example, we'll demonstrate the torque wrench. Torque this bolt to specification 6 to 8 Newton meters, 4 to 6 foot-pounds. Set the ratcheting selector to the right. That's the tightening direction. The above demonstration is for instruction purposes only. In actual use, please select the appropriate socket based on the fastener size and vehicle application.